In this video, we're going to take a look at an introduction to spheres and cones. What we're particularly interested in here is the volume and surface area for both of these shapes. Let's begin here with the cone. So we start with the volume then. So for the volume of a cone, and we use V here to represent the volume. So V is equal to 1/3 times pi r squared h. Okay, and we can see here from the diagram, we've got h here, the height. We've got r here, which represents the radius. So from the center here, the point on the circumference of the circular base. And we've got this slanted height here of L. Okay, that's for the volume of a cone. Now let's take a look here at the curved surface area. Got the curved surface area here. I use A here to represent the curved surface area, so A is going to be equal to pi times the radius times the slanted height here of L. Okay, so pi RL. Then we've also got the total surface area, so the difference here, so let me just write this down. Got the total surface area here. With the curved surface area, that's this outside going round here. Okay, so let me just do it in a different color. Let's do it in orange here. That's this here on the outside. Going around here as well on the back of the cone here, but it doesn't include the circular base here. Okay. With the total surface area, it also includes now the circular base here. But in that case, then the total surface area for the cone here, let's use A again to represent the total surface area. In this case, it would be pi RL, the curved surface area, and we just need to add the area here of our circular base. So it would be pi RL. We get pi RL, and then we've got plus pi r squared for the area of the circular base. Okay, that's everything we need there for a cone. So we've got the volume of a cone, the curved surface area, and the total surface area there. Okay, so now let's take a look at a sphere here. Now we've got a sphere. So for the volume of a sphere, here, and again, we're going to use volume here, V here to represent the volume. So V is equal to 4/3. Then we times this here by pi r squared, like so. That's for the volume of a sphere there. And then we've also got the surface area of a sphere. So for the surface area, again, let's just write this down in full. And we'll use A here to represent the surface area. So A is equal to 4 pi r squared. Okay, and we can see from the diagram here, from the center to a point on the circumference here, that would be my radius. So we just use r there in any calculations for the volume and the surface area of the sphere. Okay, so that's everything we need there for our introduction to spheres and cones. We're not going to take a look at any questions within this video. That would bring us to the end of this video now on an introduction to spheres and cones. So in the next video, we're going to take a look at exam revision for spheres and cones.